How to fix Robinhood buy sell error. In order to fix Robinhood buy or sell error, first you want to try basic technical troubleshooting steps like checking your internet connections. What you want to do is exit out of this page, open up settings, and go to network and internet. After which you want to make sure to select internet, and you can simply go ahead and switch between your Wi-Fi or mobile data. That should also be able to help you fix Robinhood buy and sell error. Other than that, you could also go ahead and check for an update. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version. Open up your app store, type in or Robinhood, and make sure to update the app to the latest version as well. Despite all these, if the issue still persists on, you want to go to settings once again, go to apps from the list and locate Robinhood. You could either force stop the app and at the same time go to storage and cache, and make sure to clear cache. That might also be able to help. Now, in some cases, if you're using any sort of VPN or ad blocker, that can also cause an issue. So you might want to disable that for a while and see whether the issue is being solved or not. And the most common issue could also be insufficient funds. So the most frequent cause of failed purchase is not having enough settled cash in your account. So check your withdrawable amount in the app under the accounts tab to confirm available funds as well. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.